Hi viewers, in this segment we're gonna see the tips to speak in English fluently. The four important concepts for a new language is listening, speaking, reading and writing. Once we started to listen and speak, it is easy to go with the other things. The initial skill which is commonly needed to speak a language is listening skill. If you really wanted to speak a language, start to listen more. The more you listen, that much fast you will learn the language. While you continuously listen to something directly or indirectly, your mind will grab the words, structure and the ideas. So improve your listening skill by listening to TV news, radio and the lectures of great people in English. Once you started to listen, you will have a good understanding about the language. Then the second one is speaking skill. After listening the language, we should slowly start to speak in English. It is not a matter whether we commit mistakes or not. The only thing is we should begin to speak in English. In the beginning, we may speak with grammatical errors, but it's okay. Just begin to speak out so that you will correct your own mistakes and learn how to speak flawlessly. While beginning to speak in English, don't bother that anyone may make fun of you. Try to speak in English with your friends and family. In case if they are unable to go in line with you, then speak to yourself at least by making use of the mirror. You will be the supporter of yourself and start to speak in English. After started to listen and speak in English, then we should start to read. Reading habit is a must to write a language systematically. First start to read simple story books which is understandable to you. Then read English newspaper daily. The more you read, the more you will understand the structure of sentence and the grammatical nuances. Then you will begin to read fluently and also flawlessly. The final skill which you need to improve in English is writing skill. If you are able to do well in the above skills, writing skill is easy to improve if you are doing it continuously. So if you want to improve your skills in English, follow these techniques of LS or W. That's it and stay tuned with Learning Station to learn more.